Welcome to Gentle Science, where science slows down and the mind can rest. How the moon slowly guides Earth through the night. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Above the quiet edge of the world, the moon rises without sound. No engine hums, no footsteps follow. Only a pale presence drifting into view, as it has done for billions of nights. Tonight, we let the moon guide us. Not quickly, not dramatically, but patiently, the way gravity always does. And look up. The moon is not bright on its own. It borrows its light from the sun, softening it, cooling it, turning a blazing star into a silver whisper. That borrowed glow spreads across oceans, slips between leaves, rests gently on rooftops and empty roads. For early humans, this light once marked the boundary between danger and safety. A full moon meant longer hunts, clearer paths, and shadows that moved slowly enough to be watched. Even now, the moon quietly sets the rhythm of the night, long before clocks, before calendars, before language had settled into form. The moon was already keeping time. Its phases, new, crescent, full, and fading again, created the first natural month, 29.5 days. Over and over, a cycle written into the sky. This slow turning of light and dark trained the human mind to expect change, to notice patterns, to rest and to begin again. But the moon's guidance reaches far beyond light, deep beneath the surface of the sea. The moon's gravity is at work. It pulls gently on Earth. Not enough to tear, not enough to break, just enough to move. Oceans respond first. They rise and fall. Tides roll across the planet. Twice each day, as Earth rotates beneath the moon's steady pull. This movement oxygenates coastal waters, feeds tidal ecosystems, and shapes shorelines grain by grain. Life, as we know it, learned to breathe in rhythm with the moon. Feel the water moving, even if you are far from the sea. The moon does something even more subtle. It stabilizes Earth itself. Without the moon, Earth's actista, invisible line it spins upon, would wobble chaotically. Seasons would swing wildly. Climates would shift without warning. Ice might spread, then vanish, again and again. But the moon acts like a steady hand, resting lightly on Earth's shoulder. It keeps our tilt stable, our seasons predictable, our long-term climate calm enough for forests to grow and civilizations to form. This guidance is slow, measured in millions of years, almost impossible to feel. And yet, everything depends on it. It keeps our tilt stable, our seasons predictable, our long-term climate calm enough for forests to grow and civilizations to form. This guidance is slow, measured in millions of years, almost impossible to feel. And yet, everything depends on it. Long ago, a day on Earth lasted only about 18 hours. Because the moon has been guiding us ever since. Nights have slowly stretched, giving more time for cooling, for rest, for dreams, and let the night feel long and generous. Animals still listen to the moon. Corals release their eggs on precise lunar nights. Sea turtles hatch together under the brightness of a full moon, instinctively moving toward the ocean's reflection. Nocturnal creatures time their movements to avoid moonlight or to use it. Even human sleep patterns subtly respond, with studies showing slight changes in sleep depth around the full moon. Not magic, not myth, just biology, tuned over countless generations to a steady celestial companion. The moon does not rush. It orbits Earth once every 27 days, traveling nearly 1 million kilometers, just to return to the same place in the sky. Earth and Moon circle a shared center of gravity, a quiet dance, balanced and enduring. Each year, the Moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther away, a distance barely noticeable, a change too small to fear. And yet, it reminds us that guidance does not mean permanence, only continuity. Imagine the moonlight touching your skin. Cool, faint, unhurried. It has watched continents drift. It has seen ice ages rise and fall. It has illuminated nights before eyes existed to see, and tonight it still watches. The moon does not command the night. It does not demand attention. It simply remains. A reference point, a gravitational anchor, a clock without numbers, in a universe filled with violent stars and sudden endings. The moon is remarkably gentle. Its guidance is quiet. Its influence patient, and perhaps that is why it feels so calming, because it reminds us that not all forces push. Some guide by staying as the night deepens. The moon continues its slow work, guiding oceans, steadying earth, lengthening nights, shaping life. You do not need to watch it. It will be there regardless, doing what it has always done. So, rest. Let the moon carry the night forward, just as it has carried Earth through billions of silent hours. Breathe in, breathe out, and drift gently under its quiet light. A gentle journey through the quiet life of distant galaxies. Tonight, let us drift far beyond the noise of Earth, beyond the rush of cities, beyond the warmth of the sun. Tonight, we travel into the deep, quiet life of distant galaxies. As you rest, imagine the darkness of space not as empty, but as calm, a vast, breathing stillness, where time moves slowly and light travels for millions of years before it ever reaches an eye. Galaxies are not sudden explosions of chaos. They are ancient communities of stars, moving together in silence. Each one holds billions, sometimes trillions, of suns, bound gently by gravity, circling a common center, like a slow cosmic dance. Some galaxies are bright and busy, their stars forming in glowing clouds of gas. But far away, there exist quieter galaxies, older galaxies, galaxies that have learned to rest. These are called elliptical galaxies, smooth, rounded collections of ancient stars. They contain very little gas, very little dust, and almost no new star birth. Their light is soft and steady, glowing amber and gold, like embers that have burned for billions of years, and now rest in gentle warmth. Inside these galaxies, stars move in slow, random paths. There are no bright spiral arms here, no dramatic shock waves of creation, only quiet motion and the steady passage of cosmic time. At the heart of nearly every galaxy, even the quiet ones, rests a supermassive black hole. Despite its name, it is not a roaring monster. In calm galaxies, the black hole is often dormant, feeding slowly, almost peacefully. It waits, and what? Galaxies themselves are not alone. They gather in clusters, groups of hundreds or thousands, bound together by gravity, floating through the universe like islands. In a dark, endless sea, between them lies vast emptiness, regions where only thin gas drifts, so sparse that a single atom may travel kilometers before meeting another. Yet even this emptiness has structure. Galaxies form long filaments woven across the universe, like a cosmic web. Along these threads, galaxies slowly move, over billions of years, drawn toward one another, in inevitable, gentle convergence. When galaxies meet, they do not collide in violence. The stars are too far apart. Instead, They pass through one another, their shapes stretching and bending like reflections in calm water. Over time, their stars settle into new orbits, and two quiet galaxies become one even quieter whole. Light from these distant galaxies began its journey long before Earth existed, before oceans formed, before life learned to breathe. Every photon you imagine has crossed expanding space, sliding gently through the darkness, carrying a message from the deep past. When astronomers observe these galaxies, they are not just seeing space, they are seeing time. Older galaxies tell a story of a universe that is aging, cooling, slowing its pace. Star formation decreases. Energy spreads thin. The cosmos grows quieter. This slow cooling is not sadness. It is rest. The universe is not rushing anywhere. It is unfolding patiently, according to the laws written into space itself. As you breathe softly, imagine yourself floating far from Earth, watching a distant galaxy glow faintly against the black. No sound, no urgency, only motion so slow. It feels like stillness. Your thoughts can drift, just as galaxies drift, and unhurried, guided gently by gravity and time. In the quiet life of distant galaxies, there is no demand to hurry, no need to become anything more than what already is. Only light and distance, and the calm certainty that everything is exactly where it should be. And as the universe continues its slow, silent journey, you can rest, knowing that even among billions of galaxies, peace is the natural state, what the stars are whispering while the universe sleeps. Tonight, as the world grows quieter and the last lights dim behind distant windows, the universe does not fall asleep. It listens, and it whispers back, far above us, beyond the thin veil of clouds and the gentle pull of gravity. The stars continue their ancient conversation, a dialogue written in light, moving silently through the dark. This is what the stars are whispering while the universe sleeps. When you look up at the night sky, it feels still, almost frozen in time. But in truth, nothing out there is at rest. Every star you see is a vast nuclear engine, burning quietly, steadily, transforming hydrogen into helium deep within its core. This process, called nuclear fusion, releases enormous energy which travels outward as light and heat, crossing unimaginable distances just to reach your eyes. Some of that light began its journey before humans ever existed, and now it arrives softly, as if on tiptoe, while you lie beneath the stars. The stars are not only glowing, they are aging. Some are young, hot and blue, burning bright and fast. Soft cosmic echo from nearly 14
classical to
billion
rock,
years ago.
it has the power
This background light, barely above absolute zero, fills
to
the
lift
universe
us up
evenly,
and make us feel
like a
alive.
quiet breath that never stops. It tells us that
It
the
can bring
universe
us joy
once
or
began
make us dour.
hot, dense, and bright, and has been cooling,
Music is a
expanding,
language
and calming
that helps us survive.
ever since. Like a deep exhale that has never fully ended. As Earth turns slowly beneath the stars, you are carried through space at extraordinary speed, spinning with the planet orbiting the sun, moving with the galaxy itself. Yet you feel none of it, because motion, when constant, feels like stillness. And perhaps that is why the universe feels peaceful at night, not because it slows down, but because you are finally moving with it. Above you, our Milky Way stretches across the sky, a river of light, made from hundreds of billions of stars. Each one may host planets, moons, and worlds, yet unseen. Some of those planets may be locked in ice. Others may glow with heat. A few may orbit in quiet balance, where liquid water can exist. The stars whisper. Possibility, not certainty, but potential. Stars also speak through endings. When a massive star reaches the end of its fuel, gravity wins. The core collapses and the star explodes. In a supernova, one of the most energetic events in the universe. In that moment, new elements are created: carbon, oxygen, iron, calcium. The very atoms in your bones were once forged inside dying stars. So when the stars whisper, they are not strangers, they are ancestors. Some stars collapse even further, becoming neutron stars, so dense that a single teaspoon would weigh billions of tons. Others form black holes, regions where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. And yet, even black holes are not silent. They warp space and time, causing ripples, gravitational waves that pass through the universe. Like faint cosmic vibrations, we can detect them now. The universe is not only visible, it is audible in its own quiet, mathematical way. As you rest, the stars continue their conversation without urgency. They follow the laws of physics, unchanging, patient, precise. Energy flows, matter transforms, space expands. There is comfort in such reliability, a sense that even in chaos there is structure. The universe does not watch you sleep, but it holds you. Every atom in your body responds to the same forces, guiding galaxies. The same gravity that keeps stars in orbit keeps you gently grounded to Earth. The same laws that shape nebulae shape your heartbeat. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are an expression of it. And so, tonight, as your thoughts slow and your breathing deepens, imagine the stars whispering, not loudly, not urgently, but with quiet consistency. They whisper of time, of change, of patience. They whisper that everything has its rhythm, that burning does not last forever, and neither does darkness. The universe does not sleep, but it rests in balance. And as you drift into rest of your own, know that above you, the stars continue their gentle glow, keeping watch, keeping time, and whispering softly through the night.